AI is coming for your job, especially if you're a video creator. Script writing, automated. Voiceovers, synthetic. Editing, one click. So here's the big question. Will AI replace you or make you unstoppable? Right now, video creation is a grind. It takes hours, sometimes days, to plan, shoot, edit, and publish just one piece of content. You're juggling tools, chasing trends, and burning out fast. And as AI gets smarter, the fear grows. What happens when the tools become better than the creator? But here's the twist. AI isn't here to replace you. It's here to amplify you. In this video, I'll show you exactly how AI is transforming video production, what it can do, what it can't do, and how to use it to save time, scale faster, and stay ahead. But before we jump in, if you're interested in mastering AI or having me build a custom automation for your business, hit the link below and set up a free one-on-one call with me to discover the possibilities. Now, let's get dangerous. Let's start with the facts. AI isn't coming. It's already here, and it's doing a lot of the heavy lifting in modern video creation. Script writing, tools like ChatGPT can now generate entire video scripts, hooks, CTAs, and even jokes faster than most humans can open Google Docs. You give it the idea, it gives you a structure, tone, and flow in seconds. Voiceovers and avatars, 11 Labs can clone your voice with scary accuracy. Synesthesia can turn a simple script into a full video with an AI presenter who never needs coffee or lighting. Editing and video generation, platforms like Pika, Runway, and Descript are changing the game. You can type whatever you want. Make this a drone shot over a mountain, and boom, it generates it. Or remove filler words, background noise, or even entire sections of video just by editing the transcript. Need captions, thumbnails, or B-roll? Automatic captioning is now near perfect. Thumbnail generators use AI to pull your best frames and add bold scroll-stopping text. And tools like video.ai even suggest B-roll to match your script, saving hours of searching. This isn't sci-fi. It's the 2025 content stack. And if you're not using at least one of these tools, you're working way too hard. Now, before you hand over the keys to the content kingdom, let's talk about what AI can't do, at least not yet. First, storytelling nuance. AI can structure a script, sure, but it doesn't feel your story. It doesn't know the heartbreak behind that pivot or the quiet win that changed everything. That nuance, that emotional weight, still comes from you. Second, audience connection and brand authenticity. Your followers don't come for perfect grammar or slick transitions. They come for you. Your tone, your quirks, your perspective. AI can mimic voices, but it can't build trust or loyalty. That takes humanity. Third, creative direction. AI tools are great at executing instructions, but they're not going to invent a wild new camera angle, a viral skit, or a storyline that breaks convention. That's where your creative intent matters most. So, no, AI is not taking over. It's just making space for creators to spend less time pushing pixels and more time pushing boundaries. Imagine you're a one-person team. You're a writer, director, editor, and marketer. That's a lot of hats. With AI tools, you can offload many of those tasks and reclaim time. Picture this. A solo creator uses an AI video generator to create short clips from scripts, auto adds captions, and social versions, cutting editing time dramatically. For example, this recent article noted solo entrepreneurs were saving over 10 hours a week by using AI video tools that automate editing, captions, voiceovers, and publishing. With less time spent in the weeds, creators can focus on the big stuff: story ideas, audience, and brand voice. Why does this matter? Time equals freedom. Less grind equals more creative energy. And solo doesn't mean slow anymore. Now imagine a small marketing team faced with massive content demands, multiple channels, languages, and formats. AI becomes a force multiplier. Marketing teams use AI video tools to produce more videos faster with consistent branding across segments. Articles describe how AI enables marketers to produce high-quality content at scale by automating parts of the workflow: script drafting, editing, and even versioning. One blog highlighted that by automating editing, repurposing, and voiceover generation, teams saw scores of videos churned out without large agencies or big budgets. If you're playing fields of many audiences, you need lots of content, and AI lets you keep pace without hiring 10 editors or waiting weeks. And your brand stays consistent even when scaling. Agencies live or die on speed, creativity, and cost effectiveness. AI is proving a key tool in staying ahead. Agencies take client briefs and spin up rapid video prototypes using AI tools: storyboard, voiceover, basic animations, all in hours instead of days. For example, in real estate marketing, a team used AI to turn property photos into full video listings. A traditional listing video is $500 to $1,500, and AI video is pennies. Agencies can use this to pitch faster, iterate cheaper, and deliver more for their clients. This matters because clients expect speed plus volume plus quality. AI gives these an edge. They can prototype, test, and deliver faster without blowing up budgets. For a solo creator, AI saves 10 plus hours a week, freeing you for high-value work. For a marketing team, AI enables scalable, consistent content, even with lean teams. For an agency, AI speeds up prototyping, lowers cost, and upgrades service offerings. In each case, the pattern is the same. What was manual, slow, and costly becomes faster, cheaper, and more scalable. But, and this is important, you still need the human spark: your story, your brand, your voice. AI helps execute. You still decide why and how. Let's cut through the noise. AI is not here to take your job. It's here to take your tasks. Think of AI as the assistant you always wanted. It can write, edit, cut, and polish, but it doesn't know your audience like you do. It doesn't feel the pulse of a great story, and it can't create a movement. Only humans can do that. People who use tools replace people who don't. The printing press didn't kill writers. Photoshop didn't kill photographers. And AI won't kill creators, but it will replace people who refuse to evolve. Creativity, taste, and strategy still win. Here's the truth: AI can generate ideas, but only you know which ones matter to your niche. It can edit video, but only you know what feels right for your brand. It can suggest titles, but only you understand your strategy and goals. Execution is automated. Vision is not. If you're a video editor, become a creative director who uses AI. If you're a copywriter, become a strategist who trains AI on brand voice. And if you're a creator, become a producer who builds systems and scales content. The jobs of tomorrow aren't disappearing, they're morphing. And the faster you adapt, the more valuable you become. This isn't about replacement. It's about amplification. The creators who embrace AI won't be replaced. They'll be the ones doing the replacing. So here's the bottom line: AI isn't the enemy. It's not here to replace you. It's here to remove the bottlenecks so you can create at a whole new level. The only question left is, will you use it or get left behind by someone who does. If you're interested in mastering AI or having me build a custom automation for your business, hit the link below to set up a free one-on-one call with me and discover the possibilities. And with that, be sure to leave a like, share your thoughts with the class, and before you subscribe, make sure you know what you're doing. Because it ain't easy being at the top. I'll see you guys next time.
Blackfin cutting through the blazing rain. Thunder rolling, but I ride the wave again. Deep tide rising, hear the echo call.